Mailchimp tutorial. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about Mailchimp and how you can use this absolutely incredible software. Okay, so to start off with Mailchimp, what you are going to want to be doing is obviously you're going to sign up with an account. Now, what is Mailchimp used for? Mailchimp, in my opinion, is best for any type of email marketing that you want to do for yourself. It's great for any type of sales CRM. It's great for lead generation. It's good for your sales. It's good for getting your company up and running. And the best part about this is that it actually has a free platform to sign in with. So you can sign up with it pretty easily. Okay, just go into sign up for free. Now, once you go into sign up for free, it takes you into the actual sign up gig where, add your very own business email that you want to sign up with Mailchimp. Let's say I'm going to add that. Then you have, your username, and then you can add your very own password as well. Okay. After adding your password, you're going to verify everything. And once you verify everything, from there, it's going to take you into the actual, you could say, work ethic and work section of MailChimp. And that's basically how you're going to get started with it. Now, when it comes to using MailChimp, you are going to want to make sure to get a hold of a lot of, you could say, generative assistance. You can convert with email automations, create faster with generative AI, refine with segmentation, optimize with analytical things and support. You can get started easily with a personalized product tour. Okay, they give you a proper product tour, and you can see you can create actual custom journeys with automations. You can discover new ways to automate for yourself, keep your emails relevant and brand growing. And the thing is that the campaigning gives you a lot of great templates to work with, which is also pretty incredible. And you can add as many leads as you want, get as many contacts, as many customers, and as many users you want in this. Okay. And that gives you a really good general idea of how you're going to work with this. That's pretty much about it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you in the next video. Goodbye.